Why equal rights are essential for England to flourish. Fairness and equal rights are not abstract ideals. They are part of the foundation stones of any successful, prosperous and confident country. The Workers of England Union believes that equal rights are not about levelling people down, but about ensuring that everyone has an equal chance under the law. A country that does not respect equal rights for all cannot prosper for long. Historical importance of equal rights. History shows us that equal rights have always been central to progress in England. From the ending of feudal restrictions to the expansion of voting rights, from the Equal Pay Act of 1970 to today's workplace protections, each generation has had to fight for fairness and equality under the law. The path has not been straight or smooth. Industrialisation brought both prosperity and deep divides, leaving behind the very people who built the nation's wealth and trapping them into low-income households with limited protections. Yet it was the collective effort of working people, organised through their trade unions, that began to redress that imbalance. The campaign for equal rights has always been inseparable from the campaign for better wages, safer conditions, and dignity at work. Diversity and strength in modern England. England today is a diverse country. However, that diversity is only a strength if it accepts different types or points of views. Allowing the expression of differing perspectives is essential if diversity is to give modern England depth, creativity and resilience. Otherwise, it becomes a weakness. Equal rights are one of England's greatest strengths. They allow people to contribute new ideas and skills vital for growth and prosperity in an uncertain global economy. Countering misinformation. The Workers of England Union rejects the lazy narrative that England is a racist country. Racism exists everywhere, but what defines the people of England is a shared belief that all residents deserve fairness, respect, and opportunity. Equal rights are not an economic necessity alone, but a moral imperative to ensure people are treated fairly and protected under the law. Research shows that fairer societies which respect each other's views and efforts are healthier, more productive, and more stable. By contrast, societies that stifle free speech, fairness, and equality under the law drain potential and increase social tension. Practical benefits of equal rights. A country where everyone has a fair chance to succeed is a country where everyone benefits. This is why the trade union movement and the Workers of England Union have consistently stood up for equal rights. It strengthens workplaces, builds cohesive communities, and fosters a resilient economy. The Workers of England Union promotes equal rights through tangible action, defending members from discrimination and unfair treatment, campaigning for equal pay, accessible workplaces, and fair recruitment. We support our members regardless of background because unity at work is the surest protection against exploitation. When one group of workers is left behind, everyone's rights are weakened. Institutionalising fairness. A cohesive and united England is not a dream of the past, it is the practical route to future prosperity. The Workers of England Union believes fairness must be institutional, not incidental, embedded in how decisions are made, how people are treated, and how success is shared. We are proud of how people across England have stood up for fairness in the past, but progress depends on vigilance. Our task is to build on those achievements. The next generation must inherit a country where equal rights are not just protected in law, but lived in every workplace and community. The future of England lies in its people. Equal rights ensure every individual can contribute to building a fair, confident and prosperous country for all.